Alright, what's up guys? I want to show you a quick video here just kind of demoing this new spray mop I got. Now this is a very simple hand operated spray mop. No batteries, no plugs or anything like that. It has a squeeze handle on it. When you squeeze it, it'll actually spray your cleaning solution right out of the bottom of the unit in front of the area that you're going to be mopping up. Now we have hardwood floors, we have a little bit of tile in the bathrooms, and these Swiffer things are great for just kind of cleaning up the floor, getting that scum after you sweep, just kind of giving it that little fine polish. We like these ones because they're very light and maneuverable, and you can refill the bottles with either water, you can use cleaning solution, you can even use floor polish, whatever you want. But at the end of this video I'm going to show you exactly what it comes with and an unboxing, but for right now I just want to show you kind of how the unit works. So it's an easy one-hand operation, and on the actual handle is basically the squeeze trigger that'll actually shoot out whatever solution it is that you're cleaning with. So there you can see I'm kind of just spraying some water, and then you bring the Swiffer, the pad right over it. Really easy to use. Now it does come with a couple different things. So with this particular model you actually get 2 of the refill bottles, and you get 5 different pads. The pads sort of velcro onto the bottom of the unit, and there's 3 that are really soft, and then there's 2 pads that are kind of a little bit more coarse, rougher padding on them. They are washable, so we just use them, and as they kind of get a little bit dirty, then we just throw them in the wash. But with 5 pads, you always have 1 or 2 fresh ones ready to go. Really convenient around under furniture, because you can lower the unit, you can lower the handle all the way down and still get underneath couches, tables, under desks and things like that. Overall, this is great for what we use it for. When you have company coming over and you just want to Swiffer or spray mop the floor real quick, this is ideal. Grab it out the closet, spray the floor down, gives everything a nice sheen, and very easy to put together. Came with everything we needed, and yeah, can't recommend it anymore. So if you're looking for a spray mop with that microfiber cleaning pad, right, and a refillable bottle, don't have to worry about messing with batteries, don't have to worry about charging it, don't have to worry about motorized spray or anything like that. This is ideal for simple, easy to use spray mops on hardwood, laminate, vinyl, tile, things like that. So I hope this video helps, and yeah, check it out.